Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Having said that, these are some of the important levels for today's intraday trading that I have drawn. You can see here, this one over here is a breaker block, bullish breaker block, okay, which can possibly act as a support, right? There is this old low, which below which we can expect some sort of a liquidity collection by the bank nifty, right? And then we have this yesterday's levels as well and this swing high, and we have a CB that I have marked over here in 15 minutes time frame as well. But then if you see, it is little bit mitigated over here, but then if I try to draw the quadrants over here, yeah, if I try to draw the quadrants over here, it has been mitigated only this part of this, and then this portion over here is still valid, right? So based on which you can see that market opens here, and then within 1 minute it has completed this move, and then in the next few minutes it takes a retracement and falls back from there, from the this CB. After that, market came back here and then took support at the breaker block and then try to move up from there. Okay, coming to my trades, um, if I draw a fib retracement tool from this bottom to this top of this candle, I was waiting for a retracement here. Morning, market gave a bullish indication, so that I just wanted to take a bullish trade upon retracement. I have taken my first trade. Let's say, for example, if I shift to lower time frame, somewhere here, and the price takes support somewhere here, and I have taken somewhere here my first trade, and in that trade I had to accept the SL, and then once Bank Nifty starts taking support in the order block, and then you can see it collected liquidity below this old low as well, and then you can see this portion over here indicating bullishness, right? So this is where I have taken my second trade somewhere here and exited somewhere here. And yeah, so exited means like it has taken my trailing SL somewhere here during this move. Okay, so that was my second trade, and today I made a profit of around close to 5500. And yeah, that was my two trades that I have taken, and then market seems to be very volatile, so I just kept away after that. Okay, having said that, let's dive into our daily live trading session and see how I manage the trades and what was the psychology and all that. Okay, see you there. Thank you. Market has opened, guys. So I have just started my day a little late, and you can see morning. Bank Nifty shows a very strong green candle, showing indicating the bullishness. Based on which I have just marked here the breaker block from where it is taking the support, and then I have marked the fib retracement tool, so that when it gives a pullback, Bank Nifty retraces back to the support zone or the golden zone of fib. I will try to initiate a long trade. That would be my first trade, and we'll let you know if I take a trade here. Thank you. So the market gave a deep pullback just below the golden fib zone and trying to bounce back from there. And you can see a nice green good candle in the premium as well, based on which I have taken my first quantity of 150 in bought 52,800 call here. Okay, so we'll see how this trade goes on from here. Most probably Bank Nifty may bounce back and try to retest the day's high, is what I'm thinking right now, based on which I have taken this trade. We'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. We'll add here my second quantity of 150 as well, guys. So now I'm sitting with 300 quantity in this trade, and right now it is more or less trading with cost to cost kind of into a little bit of rate. We'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. That's a sharp, downside move by Bank Nifty, guys. So let me place here the SL for half of the quantity so that we are not, tampering our risk. Okay. If if the first quantity is taken out or the stop loss is taken out here, then I will try to manually exit the remaining quantity. Or if Bank Nifty is trying to go up from here, I will add the quantity, 150 more quantity back into this trade. Let's see how this trade goes on from here. SL has been taken away for the first initial quantity, guys. So for the partial quantity now, I'm holding the remaining half of the quantity. So we'll see how this goes on from here. That's a little sharp downside candle, guys. Let me place the SL for the remaining quantity also here. Right now it is bouncing back. I will try to place the SL here below this wick of this candle. Okay, so that our risk is not going higher. Okay, so I have placed the SL here. So we'll see how this trade goes on from here. Looks like Bank Nifty is taking support or trying to bounce back from here, from the deep pullback, or the just below the golden fib zone. Right now the Bank Nifty is trading and may bounce back from here also. Meanwhile, if it takes our SL and then go up, we can't do anything, right? We'll have to accept the SL. We'll see how this goes on from here. That sharp downside candle took away my SL for the remaining quantity as well, with which I had to accept the stop loss in the first trade. Took about 30 points, lost about some 30 plus points in the first trade. Will let you know if I take any more trades after this, because my risk appetite is still, I still have a little bit of leverage left as per my risk per day. Okay, we'll let you know if I take any more trades after this. Thank you. So let's do a small analysis, guys, for the next trade. So you can see here right now Bank Nifty, broke below the today's low and then shows a wick for the first time and try to close above the today's low. That was the first confirmation. And second confirmation, right now Bank Nifty is not willing to go down immediately. We can see that in the price action over here. Okay. And based on which, if Bank Nifty gives a little bit more confirmation, I will try to go long here for a quick upside trade. Okay, so let's see if I take any trade, I'll let you know. Thank you. So based on our analysis, I have entered into this long side trade again, guys. So bought 52,800 call again, and you can see here it is trading with little bit of green already. And yeah, we'll see how this trade goes on from here. So we are back to green from a red already, and we'll see how this goes on from here. Thank you. One not eight was the average buy price in this trade, guys. So let me place here the trailing SL, because we are already getting more than 90 points in this trade. It made a high of more than 130 points at some point. Yeah, it has taken the trailing SL, guys. So good, we still made around more than 90 points in this trade. Okay, so with that, the losses made in the first trade has been recovered, as part of the second trade, and we made a profit of around close to 5,500 for today. And yeah, so today, depending on the day and the volatility, so I was quickly trailing the stop losses whenever I get the opportunity, because to lock the profits, right? So having said that, hope you have enjoyed and learned something out of today's trading session. We'll see you in the next live video, in the next live trading session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.